Sai Baba appeared as a young lad of 16 years under the neem tree in Shirdi. Sai Baba incarnated in this world by mundane existence to uplift the poor and suffering mankind with the earth as his mother and Holy Supreme as his father. Saints don't belong to any caste or religion. Their noble mission is to spread compassion, peace, and guide the humanity to salvation. He, the ocean of mercy, told that God is one and guided his devotees to realize this immense truth. He advised that because the past was imperfect and future is uncertain, we must not spoil perfect present. His two mantras were faith and perseverance. What is wanted on our part is wholehearted devotion to Him. When a devotee has got firm faith and devotion, his wishes are fulfilled soon. Devotion to Sai should burn brightly in our hearts like the eternal fire dhuni of Sai. We should listen to our inner self and immersed in the devotion of Sai as a bee in sweet smelling lotus. Sai asked his devotees not to search God outside because God is very much within us. Whoever has got complete and wholehearted devotion to Sai Baba will have his calamities and danger warded off, and his welfare will be attended by Baba. Sai has assured his devotees that he will always stand by his devotees at the time of crisis, and the devotees will certainly experience his presence, and Sai will take the favorite form of his devotees to bless his children. Sai is ever indebted to one who surrenders his body, soul, and wealth. If we cast our burden on him, he bears it for us. Whenever there is a decay of dharma and ascendancy of righteousness, God manifests himself for the protection of virtuousness and destruction of viciousness and the establishment of righteousness. God incarnates in this world age after age. Sai Baba of Shirdi is one of these incarnations. Devotion to Sai is the powerful magnet which attracts the crores of people. Nobody knows his religion or caste. He sang Vedic verses beautifully at the same time verses quoted from Hindu scriptures. He acted as a unique bond between Hindus and Muslims. Sai gave a wonderful vision to his devotees in the form of their favorite deities. Fortunate devotees were blessed with the vision of Vittal, Shiva, Ram, and Krishna, and by taking Sai's form, he delighted many devotees in their dreams. Even today, many years after leaving his earthly body, his devotees experience the Sai Baba Holy Spirit relieving them out of their miseries. Nobody can count the miracles Baba's performed during his lifetime. Spiritual magnetism of Sai still attracts his devotees, and when a devotee cries with the despair and distress, Baba wipes his tears and the devotee experiences the merciful help at the time of crisis. Sai Baba is God. It is for sure that if a person places his faith in Sai's holy feet and observes the Vrat of 9 Thursdays, all his desires and wishes will be fulfilled and shakes will be removed. Rules for observing Sai Baba Vrat. This Vrat can be observed by anyone, men, women, and kids. This Vrat can be observed by a person of any caste and religion. Sincere faith and devotion while observing this Vrat yields a miraculous results. This Vrat should be started on Thursday with a sincere prayer to Sai to get the desired and wish fulfilled. Puja can be performed in morning or evening. Place a wooden board asan and spread a small yellow cloth on the asan and keep Sai Baba's photo on it. Wipe the photo with the clean cloth and apply a sandal paste and kumkum tilak on Sai's forehead. Offer him a garland or flowers of yellow color, light a lamp and incense stick in the front of his photo and read the Sai Vrat story. Meditate and prayer to him, convey your wishes to him faithfully. Offer him a holy food naivedya. It can be anything like sugar, candy, sweets, fruit, and distribute and partake the prasad. This vrat should be observed by taking a food in the form of fruits and liquids like milk, coffee, tea, and sweets, or the devotee can take food only once, lunch or dinner. This vrat should not be observed with empty stomach and remaining hungry. If possible, visit nearby Sai Mandir all the 9 Thursdays. If Sai Mandir is not nearby, then puja can be done sincerely in the house. Even if the devotee has to travel to other cities, this puja can be observed during the 9 Thursdays due to a menstruation cycle for ladies or for some other reasons. If not able to perform puja, skip that Thursday. Don't count it in 9 Thursdays and perform the puja in consecutive Thursday and complete 9 Thursdays. Udyapan, completion of Vrat rules. This Vrat has to be completed with due formalities on 9th Thursday. Feed 5 poor persons on 9th Thursday according to a capacity of devotees. To spread this Vrat, distribute Sai Baba Vrat books 5, 11 or 21 freely. On 9th Thursday, place these books in the puja so that the receiver will also be blessed. By following the above rules, if the Vrat is observed and completed with due formalities, the devotee's wishes will certainly be fulfilled by Sai's grace. Sai Vrat story. A auspicious lady named Kokila and her husband Mahesh were living in a city. They had a great affection towards each other. But Mahesh's nature was quarrelsome and had little control over his speech and language. Neighbors were irritated by his nature, but Kokila was a auspicious religious lady. She had immense faith in God and coped up all the troubles patiently. Slowly, her husband's business went through a rough weather and income was almost nil. Mahesh started staying in house and the entire day and his quarrelsome nature worst. One afternoon, a aged sadhu saint came and stood at the entrance of their home. His face was very shining. He asked for rice and pulse. Kokila offered him rice and pulse. The saint blessed her. Sai will bless you with happiness. Kokila replied in frustration that happiness is not her destiny and narrated him her entire sorrowful story. The saint advised her to observe Sai Baba's Vrat for 9 Thursdays by having fruits, liquids, or by taking a food only once on Thursday. If possible, to visit Sai Baba's Mandir. Perform Sai's puja at home. Complete the Vrat with due formalities on 9th Thursday by feeding the poor. Distribute Sai Vrat books to 5, 11, or 21 persons according to the devotee's capacity and thus spread the power of Sai Vrat. This is miraculous effect and is best suited for this Kali Yuga. It fulfills the innermost wishes of a devotee, but the devotee should have immense faith and devotion towards Sai Baba. Whoever observes complete this vrat with the due formalities, all his desire will be fulfilled by Baba. Kokila also took a vow to observe 9 Thursdays vrat and she completed with all formalities like feeding the poor and distribution of Sai Vrat books on 9th Thursday. The troubles in their house vanished and they were filled with peace and happiness. Ramesh's quarrelsome nature also changed for a good and his business also picked up and they proposed and started living happily. One day, Kokila's brother in law and his wife came from Surat, and amidst conversation, they told sadly that their children are not studying well and they failed in their examinations. Kokila explained to them the powerful of 9 Thursdays Sai Vrat, and she told them the devotion of Sai will enable the children to study well. But faith and patience are very important. Kokila's sister in law wanted the details about the Vrat. Kokila told her to observe the fast by taking fruits, liquids, or have food only once on all 9 Thursdays. Have darshan of Sai nearby Sai Mandir on all Thursdays. This Vrat can be observed by all men, women, and children without any restriction on caste, creed, and religion. Perform puja to Sai's photo, offer yellow flowers or garland and light the lamp, incense stick and offer the naivedya and partake the prasad with everyone. Remember and meditate on Sai's perform arati etc. Read Sai Vrat story, Sai Bhavani, Sai Chalisa etc. respectfully. Feed 5 poor persons on 9th Thursday. distribute Sai Vrat books 5, 11, or 21 to neighbors, relatives, or other known persons. After some days, Kokila received a letter from her sister in law from Surat stating that her children have started doing the Sai Vrat and they have started studying well, and she also observed the Vrat and distributed Sai Vrat books at her office. Regarding this, she had written that her friend Charu's daughter marriage was fixed with a good suitable alliance because of this Vrat, and one of her neighbor's jewel box had got lost, and after observing Sai Vrat 2 months later she got back her jewelry box, sender being unknown. Such wonderful experience she had narrated in her letter. Kokila realized the powerful of Sainath and Sai Vrat, and her devotion towards a Sainath strengthened. O Sai, please bless us and comfort us with the happiness. Miraculous effects of Sai Vrat. Knee pain vanished miraculously. Experience of Nisha. Whatever the disease may be, if a person cries near Sai, Sai relieves him of the pain and cures him of the disease. I was suffering from severe pain in my knees. A few days back, my leg was fractured and the bones near my knees were broken severely. Doctor suggested an operation, but I refused. I became alright after some days. Suddenly, pain started again. I could not dare to walk even few steps for a week, and the pain was so severe. All our family members were planning for a Shirdi trip during holidays and also for a Rajasthan trip. It was impossible for me to even think of accompany them. I had created a scene because of my pain, and I started feeling that I am not able to walk in future. I had faith in Sainath. I had done fasting before, but not with any formalities or rules. One of my friend told me the power of 9 Thursdays Sai Vrat. I also wish to observe the Vrat. I somehow gathered encourage and rode my scooter to Sai Mandir, and I prayed to him that I wanted to visit Shirdi and would like to visit Rajasthan. The pain is unbearable, and if my knee pain vanishes before I step out of the mandir, I too observe 9 Thursdays Sai Vrat. I had never experienced such a wonderful miracle in my life. As I stepped out of the mandir, my knee pain vanished miraculously. I felt very happy. I visited Shirdi, Rajasthan, and walked a lot, even trekked the mountains with the Sai Baba's blessings without a trace of pain. Passed SSC exam with a good percentage. Hetal was studying in a school and she was not able to concentrate in her studies well. She completed her ninth standard with a great difficulties. She always complained that she could not remember anything. Her parents were worried about her 10th standard. She failed in all subjects in quarterly, half yearly exams in 10th standard. Some well wishers advised her to observe 9 Thursdays Vrat, and she started observing 9 Thursdays Sai Vrat and completed sincerely. Hetal's memory increased, and the teachers who had complained earlier started apprising her. By Sainath's grace, she passed SSC exams with 75% and she joined a science group in 11th standard. Tumor vanished. Jalpa had severe pain in her ears and her hearing ability also reduced to a great extent. She consulted an ENT specialist. Doctor told her that a small tumor like formation was in her rare part of the ear. The surgery was must and bypassing also had to be taken, and he told the name of the disease and fixed their date for the operation. All family members were upset. Jalpa decided to observe 9 Thursday Sai Vrat and she postponed the operation. She completed the Sai Vrat by feeding the poor and distributing Sai Vrat books. She went to the hospital and took all the required tests. All test reports were normal and the tumor had vanished. Doctor told her that she is absolutely normal and there is no need for the surgery. Her faith in Sai strengthened. Miraculous recovery from a danger. Ramesh Bhai's wife was suffering from constipation. She used to have a medicine called Hardy mixed with a warm water as a remedy. One day she had a hearty with a warm water and after that noticed that the glass was broken with a little piece of glass was missing. She doubted that the glass piece would have gone into her stomach along with the medicine. She searched for the glass piece, but she could not find it. After 2 hours, the blood came along with the tools and did not stop. Loss of blood was more, and she became almost unconscious. It was 1 o'clock in the midnight. Ramesh Bhai lighted a lamp in the front of Sai Baba's photos and prayed that if the flow of blood stopped and if his wife is saved, then he will observe the 9 Thursdays Vrat. After some time, the glass piece came along with the tools and the blood flow also stopped. He took her to the hospital at the same night, and the doctor told them that it could have been fatal if the glass piece had caused any internal injury, but now she is perfectly alright. Ramesh Bhai also observed Sai Vrat and fulfilled his vow. Transfer order cancelled. Neela was serving in an office. She was transferred from Ahmedabad to Kutch. Her mother became very upset and fell sick. They tried all means and applied requesting to cancel the transfer order. And one more order came to her that if she does not join within 10 days, she will be expelled from the job. Her mother was tense to send her daughter alone to such a distant place. It was a Thursday. Neela's friend Nandita visited her and advised her to observe 9 Thursdays Sai Vrat. Neela started the Vrat the same day. Surprisingly, on third day, she received a letter stating that her transfer order to Kutch is cancelled and she has been transferred to a different branch in Ahmedabad itself. Her faith in Sai strengthened and she fulfilled the vow and fed the poor and distributed Sai Vrat books on 9th Thursday. Other miracles. An educated, good looking person was working in an advocate's office for some reasons. He could not get married. After observing 9 Thursdays Sai Vrat, his marriage was fixed with a good looking, employed, good natured girl. A boy has completed MCom but could not find a suitable job. He and his mother observed 9 Thursdays Sai Vrat and completed with due formalities. He got a suitable job. An artist was a sole breadwinner of his family. He could not get a good role in a TV or films. After observing 9 Thursdays Vrat, his demand increases and started getting a good roles in TV, religious films, and he proposed well. A businessman faced a lot of problems and his income reduced. He started Sai Vrat and his business picked up and he proposed. Miracle delivered a baby girl 18 years after marriage. Mahinder and Rekha were a childless couple. Rekha had to face a criticisms from her in-laws. She tried lots of medications but no effect. They consulted many astrologers. Rekha was a government employee. One day her colleague Suresh distributed a sweets and happily told that a son was born to him after 10 years. He told about Sai Vrat and advised Rekha to observe the Vrat and gave her Sai Vrat book. Rekha also observed the Sai Vrat with due formalities. She gave birth to a baby girl 18 years after her marriage by Sai's grace. श्री सचिदानंद समर्थ सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय ओम साई राम